Best job ever. Ah, like a dog biting that. T-Rex. Kill it. Hey, it was a sloppy eater. Everything's just dropping out of his mouth. Look at that. You know he's getting crap all over his shirt. Oh, 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 that chipped a tooth. Need some oil on them wheels. You can get it. Oh! Yeah, if I had that job, I'd be making those sounds all day long. I'd be in that cabin going, oh, chomp, oh. Hulk smash! Oh, come on, come on. Get it, get it, get it. There it goes. Bite. Oh, that was a good one. It's like it's eating ribs there. Wasting a lot though. Tear it up. Oh, ooh, get some in the nose now. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Going right through the bone. Whole thing's shaking now. Oh. Come on, get it, get it. Get it. And, oh, oh, changing the direction. Right there. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, yeah. And now for the death kill. Or is he backing out? Oh, come on. Oh, oh, look at this. Look at this. There we go. I see. He's going to back up and tip that bitch over. Yep, get a better angle. Come on. Where's he going? All right. Dude, you're killing me here. Come on. right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, right in the ankle. Ankle biter. Chew it. Roar. That's gotta hurt. He's gnawing at that bone. Oh. Shake it. Oh, it's almost there. Should I stop the video now? Make you pay to see the rest? Come on, come on. Oh! He just keeps gnawing his way up. And oh, how can it still be up? Look at it. Look at this. Look at that thing. There's like nothing there. Here we go. Here we go. Money shot. Woohoo!